No one will believe what you made with the banana. Start by cutting 4 ripe bananas into thin, round slices, just like I'm doing here. I'm using Cavendish bananas, but you can use any other type of your choice, as long as they're very ripe. Next, transfer all these bananas to a large bowl. Now add 3 whole beaten eggs, 300 milliliters of milk at room temperature, 300 milliliters of water also at room temperature, 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast powder, and 1 pinch of salt. Using a hand mixer, beat all the ingredients until combined and until the bananas are well blended. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can do it in a blender. It will also work out just fine. This is the right consistency. You may now stop beating. Now, add 3 cups of sifted wheat flour. I'm using a 240 milliliter cup for this recipe. Then, using a whisk, mix all the ingredients very well until combined. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right consistency. Finally, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the batter ferment for 1 hour at room temperature. After this indicated time, the batter is ready. Now, in a skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 drizzle of oil. And, using a brush, spread it all over the bottom of the skillet. Then add 2 scoops of the banana batter and let it fry for 2 minutes. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Then flip the pancake and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Finally, remove the pancake from the skillet and soak up the excess oil on a plate lined with paper towels. Repeat this process with the rest of the batter. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.